Are you building a PC for the first time and you just don't know what to buy? Lucky for you, in this video I will be laying down the whole checklist of all the components you will need to build your first gaming PC. Starting it off, you'll need a motherboard, you'll need memory, also known as RAM, you'll need storage, which comes in a whole bunch of different forms, you'll need the CPU, which is the brain of the PC, a CPU cooler, a graphics card, power supply, some case fans if your case that you get doesn't come with some pre-installed, and obviously you need something to put all these components into, so you need the case. That's about all that you need to build your first gaming PC. Let me know down in the comments if you guys want me to come out with a step-by-step guide on how to build a gaming PC, and I'll come out with that ASAP.